In today's video, I'm going to show you the radicals of zero middle key. And zero middle key is semicolon on your keyboard right below P. Zero middle is the key of fundamental key 0 as in square. So I'll introduce them later. Let's begin from the first one. Okay. So you can see first 1 second on the left hand side is square here, square, and square on the left hand side or right hand side here. Okay, so for the first one, we begin with zero middle. Okay, and continue. This is a 5-1. You see 5 right turn, 1 horizontal, 5-1, 5 upper. And continue. This is a 3 vertical, 3 middle. And last row is right here, a left turn, 2 middle, space, first one. Alright, continue. This one left hand side square again, 0 middle. And continue, this is a 5, so 5 middle. And the rest 4 dots, fire, 8, 8 lower, and space. Alright, so square on the right hand side, the same. So we begin with left hand side since we're following the stroke. Okay, so in this case, this is a 5, 9, 5 right turn, 9 left falling, 5, 9, 5 lower, and square 0 middle, space. Next one, 2, 1 here, 2 as in left turn, and 1 horizontal, 2, 1. Okay, 2, 1, 2 upper. And continue, this is a square here, so 0 middle, and space. And for those with a square inside here, these 4. Okay, so according to the stroke, we begin with the frame. This is a 9, 5, 9 left falling, 5 right turn, 9, 5, 9 middle. And square inside, 0 middle, space. Next, square with something inside. This is a 0, 4, 0 upper. And continue, cross, 4 middle, fundamental key. And square, 0 middle, space. Next one, door is 3, 1. First row 3, last row 1, 3, 1, 3 upper. And this one square, 0 middle, space, first one. Alright, next one, begin with 5, 9. 5 right turn, and a 1 and a 9. So this is a 5, 1, 5, 9, 5 lower. Continue, this is a 5, 5 middle. And last we have a square, 0 middle, space. Alright, continue. We have square upper, 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 and both upper and lower. And we have lower, 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 and middle, middle, middle. Okay, so from this one, square, 0 middle. And these two stroke with the hook is a 2 fundamental key, left turn 2, and square. Next one, square, 0 middle, and the bottom part is a 3, 8, 3 vertical, and with this person or this 8 right falling, 3, 8, 3 lower, space. Next one, square, 0 middle, and the rest, this is a 7, 8. This I right here is 7 and 8, 7, 8, 7 lower, space, first one. Continue, square first, 0 middle, and this stroke in the middle is a left falling, 9 middle, and square again, 0 middle, space, first one. Alright, next one, this is a 1, 9, 1 horizontal, 9 goes down, left falling, 1, 9, 1 lower, and square, 0 middle, space, first one. Next one, easy, cross, 4 middle, and square 0 middle space. Continue. This is a 7 lit with dot 6 7 6 7 lower and square 0 middle space. First one. Okay, continue. We have square in the middle, middle, and middle. Okay, so for this one, 8 fundamental key, A middle, and square 0 middle, and 2 stroke with a hook. This is a 2 middle space. Next one, 5 9, like this one, 5 9. So 5 9 5 lower, and we have a square here, so 0 middle. Continue. This is a 6 1 dot 6 and end with right here 6 1 6 upper. Okay, we've done 3, so we go to the last one, which is right here dot 6 and end with 8 right falling 6 8 6 lower space. First one. Continue. Exception. These are not cross but exception, so cross 4 middle. And continue. We have 2 squares, so 0 middle key twice. And we've done 3. We go to the last one, which is right here, a person, 8 middle space. Alright, and the last 3 I'm introducing. You can see this square right here. We get square and other strokes gets through, and gets through. Okay, so for this one, we pick square first, 0 middle. And the rest 2 strokes, this is a 9 left falling and 8 right falling, 9 8 9 lower space. Next one, the top is a 7 lit, 7 middle, and we have a square here, so 0 middle. And the last 2 strokes, like here with a hook, just like this one, 2 middle and space. Alright, the next one, the first stroke is a 9 left falling, 9 middle. Continue. We have a square, so 0 middle. And the rest is 7 6. Begins with 7 lit and end with dot 6 right here. 7 6 7 lower and space. First one. Alright, that's all for the radicals of 0 middle key, the fundamental key 0 in array input method. And thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.